I'm Andrea, and I speed up software switchovers for businesses at the 5 million mark and up. But what does that mean? I can practically see the panic in your eyes. Don't worry, it's super simple actually. There are 2 ways I work. Number 1, I step up to hurry or move over to a new tool if it's taking too long. You'll have me on hand for weeks until it's finished. Number 2, I tell you what tools would suit your different teams and project manage you moving over to those new tools before you're old and grey. So if you're wanting to introduce Asana to manage your workload, I'm your gal. If you want to transfer over your CRM and move over shed loads of data without breaking out in hives, I'm your gal. If you want to make more money from your team, which means you need to stop wasting all their time on dinosaur tech, you guessed it, I'm your gal. I'm also your gal, even if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you're unsure of change and you don't know where to start. I know software sounds scary. It doesn't have to be. I'll take all the stress off your plate and make it simple. That's SaaSy, and that's a wrap.